All right, let's get into some qigong now. Let's breathe in the good ass prana, as my brother would say. Infinite waters. Shout out to you, my brother. Breathe in deep. Breathe in that good ass prana and bring it down on you with your fingers. Imagine you're taking a chi shower. Prana shower. See it just showering over your head. I suggest you take off whatever hat you're wearing, do rag, whatever it is. Let yourself loose. All right. If you want that energy coming down on your skull, right? Your fingers touching it. Breathe in deep. Out. Exhale. Feel the prana. Bring the prana down your neck. So those who smoke like me, massage their neck. Massage it. Yeah, now your heart. Soothe your heart area. Like this. Bring your hands like this. Now, going down, touching your body. You basically self-massaging yourself. Massage your kidney area. Massage it real good. Talk to your body. Say, I love you, baby. Ooh. For the ladies, y'all want a nice juicy ass. Tap, smack that ass. Say, get juicy for my man. Get juicy, juicy. Tap down your thighs. You know them hamstrings, they be hurting sometimes. Loosen them up. Okay. Now, once you got that body loose, right? Do your deep breathing exercise like this. Breathing deep. Buddha holding up the earth. Hold the breath, holding the earth. Down. As you exhale, keep your tongue at the roof of your mouth. That's creating an internal cosmic loop. So when you're breathing, it's actually sending that sensation throughout your entire central nervous system, throughout all of your body. Once again, breathing deep. Holding up the earth. Hold the breath. Down. You can say sounds like shoo, ah, e. It's basically the vowels. All of the vowels are healing sounds. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, A, E, I, O, U, U. And sometimes why. All right. I was playing that song for my son the other day. Another thing you could do is bring a chi ball down on your body to heal your body. This is how you do this. Watch this. Now, taking a deep breath. Out, relax the chest. Exhale. Bring your hands over your body. Inhale. Twist in the back. Your hands down to the earth. Release. Throw it all to earth. All those things that you don't need, that it's not serving you anymore. Just throw it back to the earth and let the earth deal with it. Okay. Now pick up from the earth the energy that you need to heal your body, to bring you health and strength. Pick it up. It's an energy ball. Pick it up. Keep breathing. Inhale. Bring the chi ball down. See it healing your body. It's golden. Chi ball all around me. Chi ball. Healing my body. Healing my inward organs, my bones, my joints, my hips, my knees. Yes. My ankles. The chi ball. Then you can hang down for a minute. Relax. Once again, start over. Out breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Return to the mountain. That's the exhale. Then surround yourself with a sphere of protection, a ball of protection as you do this. Pick up the energy ball. It's golden. See the light. See the golden ball. As you inhale, lift it up. Exhale. Bring that chi ball around your head, healing our minds. Yes, clear thoughts. Yes, relieve stress. Woo. Heal our heart. Chi ball. Prana. Woo. Good ass prana. Woo. All over the body. Visualize it. See it. As you're moving the energy ball, hang down for a minute. Relax that hip, relax that back, that lower back, let it hang. Breathe out. Okay? Show you another one. Breathe in, exhale. Pinkies come together like that. Stretch all the way to the left. Exhale. Going towards the right. You're opening up the chest so you can breathe more. Opening up your lungs, this whole area. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So you're kind of going up and down with your legs, that type of motion like this. Up, down, up when we're doing it, okay? So exhale, inhale. You want to stretch as much as you can. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now when you come into a close, one of the moves you could do is hold your palm right here. You're going to bring your chi and your energy into your center, into your core by doing this. Bring the legs together, shoulder width apart. You say balancing energy. Balance it between body, soul, spirit, mind. Balance your body with your spirit and with your mind. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. See yourself one with mind, balance, order, harmony with the body. All organs operate in harmony and balance. Say it, speak it. Balance in mind, balance in relationships, balance business, balance. Balance. And when we're closing out, do like this. Shake a little bit. I want y'all to feel the sensation of the chi in your fingers. Feel like tingling? Sensation in your fingers? Shake a little more if you don't feel it. Jump up and down. Alright? Okay, there's that chi. Now, take that chi and make a ball with it. Exhale. Inhale. Feel the ball as you pressure. Your palms pressure the ball. Chi ball. Move your chi ball. Spin it. Keep squeezing the chi ball. Keep squeezing it down until you're pushing it into your belly button. See it turn into a small size pea. Okay, store it in your belly button. Because that's where all your solar plex energy and your strength is. Rub it there. Okay, now we're going to zip it up. Ready? You're going to press right here, hard around your groin area. Now pull up all the way to the top of your mouth. Drop the key. Close it. Now that's how you lock up and store your chi back inside your body, because you need that for the rest of the day. So I want to thank y'all for joining me for this qigong workout along with the Cali sticks. I'll be coming back again. I want y'all to subscribe, leave a message, let me know what y'all thought about it, and let me know if you'd like to come out and join a free class. I'm here in LA, Los Angeles. If you're in Los Angeles, y'all message me at craigthecreator247@gmail, and we can link up. I'll let you know the location where I'm training, and you come out. I have some Cali sticks for you, and we can train together. How that sound? All right? Yes. It's all about our tribes coming together, sharing their knowledge and wisdom with one another. Each one teach one. It's about reciprocity, harmony. Yes, one hand wash the other. They both wash the face. Namaste. The God in me honors the God in you. God in me honors the goddess in you, especially because that is the portal in which I have come to this earth. So have you and everyone listening. Thank you. Namaste. One love. Peace and love.